Brrrr, bro, I just saw that as I was walking out, my bro. Thank you very much for getting us started for the day, my bro. With the 10 bomb, I do apologise, I was making breakfast. I have oats, egg, and frozen berries. Good morning, guys. Damn, brother coming in strong. Brother, thank you very much for the love, man. Good morning, good morning. How are we all doing? Morning, everybody. Good to see everyone. Good morning, Twitch, YouTube, and Kick. Morena, morena. How are we all doing? Let's get rid of the words on the screen. Not the Runescape startup scene. I'm actually going to start playing Runescape, by the way. It's just waiting for the hype to die down. Then I'd try it. Yeah, like genuinely, I'm going to try the game. Thank you very much, Mercenary, for the 10 bomb, brother. Absolutely kind of you to get us started for the day, my bro. Thank you, thank you. Breakfast today, we've got some oats, some porridge, some egg, and some frozen berries. Yes, this is the combo I've been vibing with lately, alright? This is the combo I've been vibing with. The old protein, the old oats, egg, and frozen berries. Yo, brother, crazy with the 64 months as well. I was talking to yeah, my bro. I don't know when I'm gonna start playing, but I'm keen to. Thank you very much, brother, crazy. Hope everything's well over in Canadian land, my bro. And you know I always love you, brother. Much love, my bro. This is the combo, chat. Oh, I forgot my vitamins. Hold up. For a moment, I'll just go and get them. How you been, my brother? You been riding around at all? Some, eh? You been going for any cruises at all? Gonna have fish oil breath all stream, chat, so bear with me. Broke my speed record. Oh, my man, Thuman. Do you ever put like a GoPro on the front, my bro? Just having my probiotics, my vitamin D3, fish oils, super reds, super greens, okay? That's why my breath is gonna smell like fish oil for the whole freaking stream. Especially when you burp and you eat your fish oils. So these here. So I got like a handful. I should have done this off stream. My bad. Oh!
Cheer, brother. Try not to breath fish oil on us, Brox.
Cheer, my bro. Hey, reach level 5 during this and we get... Yo, is that 25% off subs thingy? Oh, we got a treasure train. Yo. So if you don't know what a treasure chain is, chat, if you get to a certain level, subs get discounted. Egg, porridge, oats, and frozen berries, chat. Vibes. How you been, brother? How's training going? But hope everyone's been doing well. If we do hit the level 5, we hit the level 5. If we don't, we don't. This is what I've been vibing with for the last couple of days. I love it, eh? Just snowy. I thought I'd try and eat breakfast this week instead of having a coffee and an apple and then getting hungry later. I hate running. Gotta learn to love it, my bro. Oh, did you? Ooh. How did your date go, my bro? Did you put her in a 195? Morning, Ivo. I'm trying to just eat this so we can start. If I know one more level and we get discounted subs, so if we can contribute towards the treasure train, it would be much appreciated. Hey man, would you do a carving and ship it to the UK? Yeah, probably. Yeah. I'm just wondering how would tariffs affect me at all? Because our country got hit with a 15% tariff. Oh, that's going to America, eh? Not the UK.
Snow Eater achieved Dex 100.
Beautiful. Okay. 35. Oh, yeah. So the fucking FBI moves into the country, right? And then straight after that, they bring with them a 15% tariff. What a bunch of pricks. Yeah, absolute bunch of pricks. They weren't even wanted in the country. They turned up anyway, and they bought a bloody tariff with them. Bloody bullshit, I tell you, bloody bullshit. This week as well, one thing we need to do, get new stains. I just found out I got a sub as a gift. Yeah, bro, it would have been Merce, the brother Merce, earlier in the stream. Unfortunately, we didn't get to level 5 ship, but thank you very much for the treasure train. Yeah, so we're going to carry on with this handle today. Smash this out. And I think what I'll do as well is, so we're going to take off some of the sides here as well. I really need to get rid of some of this too. Thank you very much for the treasure train, chat. But hope everyone's doing well. Good to see everyone. Good to see everyone once again. What did you get up to on the weekend? I watched Chief of War, and I started watching C on Apple TV. C is actually quite a good program, eh? Has anyone seen it? It's about, you know, the world a couple years after a virus breakout, and everyone in the world loses their vision. And then this lady gives birth to 2 kids that have their vision after how many hundreds of years? It's pretty cool. Nah, you're all good, Ninja. All good, brother. How was your date, dude? Did you have a good one? So yeah, at some point soon, I want to do a Runescape stream. Old school RuneScape, and I don't know how to play it at all. But I'd like to dress up as a character. Who would be a fitting character for me, like of my build, to try and cosplay as? Because I'd want to get like the suit and everything, or the whatever. Yeah, I don't know too much about RuneScape, old school RuneScape, so I'm keen to jam. What's up, Max? What's up, Ols? Ols? Yeah, I don't know. I obviously played the updated version, that dragon one, so you kind of saw all the characters there. It went pretty well, but I won't lie, I had a hard time not looking at her. Ah, yeah, admiring her landscape. Okay. I've used that trick before, you know. When you see someone and then you go, just admiring the landscape behind them. Hey, what's up, Spirit Music? Yeah, it showed some of the, you know, nostalgic characters within what's it called? The Dragon Wilds. Hey, cheers, Ools. No, I've just been enjoying content creation lately. All my reels on Instagram have been popping off. Better than my TikTok, to be honest. And you know, that's surprising, but you know, gonna continue uploading to YouTube as well. Actually gonna upload another nostalgic clip today on all socials. I'm trying to be consistent with all my posting. Sunday chillin'. Oh, bro, it's like Monday here, and it's cold, bro. It's Monday. You at least need. Yeah. So one of my bros who is a old school RuneScape player, he DM'd me on Instagram, and he gave me the link to the launcher and everything. With an eyeball in the middle of it. Oh, right. I'll be like, what in the Horcrux is going on with that necklace? Yeah, well, bro. But yeah, to those that are new, this is what we've been doing. This is going to be a handle for Partiti. A Partiti is a hatchet, okay? But it's not going to be used for, you know. It's more for a birthday, a 60th. So it's kind of like a gift to whoever the birthday person is. And I need to create a counter chip for the snot rockets that I do in life. I definitely made a joke about clearing in me. Nice, yeah. Yeah, so today we're going to carry on with this. I want to maybe hopefully start shaping this out. Or maybe we do the top today. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. Well, for now our main focus is going to be the handle. And then after that we'll move on to these other two sections today as well. Morning, Elder. How are you, brother? Yeah, so this week, carving this week, Friday morning. So Friday 3 a.m. 3 a.m. is going to be that early time zone kind of stream that I'm going to do. Carving stream. How's it going to go? I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to... The reason why I want to do streams in the earlier hours is to see what streams like, because our biggest countries they watch the most is America and EU. Oh, I'd love to be lying in bed in the warm, but I have to come outside and stream and carve. What's a good basic class or combination of items for a newbie to use in RuneScape, guys? I just thought about it. What game has the most iconic crafting menu, check. Like in terms of like your crafting system. I should get a crafting overlay, eh? Or he's all good with nothing on the screen. Bit of a crafting overlay, maybe? Also, the half pie news will be coming back too. To all the OGs that know what the half pie news is, the half pie news is making a return, okay? And I'm actually absolutely excited for it. A lot of latte, what's good, what's good? Alright. Yeah, like, what's some good beginner stuff that I should keep in mind when I play old school? Gotta go to my course. Now you're good. I wanna tonight. At some point tonight, I might ping the Discord and then jump in one of the video call rooms. Yeah, peace. I'm planning on trying old school RuneScape, my bro. Hey, what up, Low Gains? Let me get your carving real quick, brother. So basically, my bro, it's all done. So all that we need to do now is cut out the middle. I'm going to get a saw this weekend, just like a little one. I couldn't go this weekend because we don't have enough gas. Bro, $10 for 3 liters here right now, and I've got to use my gas for school drop-offs. Sorry, my bro. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'm gonna get some new stains as well. Do you still play well? I most definitely do, brother. I've been leveling a mage. I don't really play mage, I'm more of a warrior handy. But yeah, brother, I've been playing on Benediction and Arugo. Yeah, so that's pretty much all of it there. On the other side too. Fuck, these are gonna be expensive to send off now, but hey, it's all part of the show, man. Now that the tariff's on the country. Hey, what up, Balloon? Morning, my bro. So yeah, we did the reverse, as you can see. And then this is the other side as well. So I think we'll get a, oh yeah, I did the top two. Right around. So that's him, my bro. But yeah, if anyone plays old school RuneScape who's keen to put me on game, feel free to. Morning, Battle Tanker. Morning, Flux. Yeah, I'll probably, like I do WoW streams here and there, pretty much. Might try and do one this week. It's a bit hard because I just started watching C on Apple TV and Chief of War. And during the evenings I've been just watching programs with my wife. Seth Rollins can suck on a chode and choke on it. Bastard done it again. I knew straight away, bro. I was like, oh, you cheeky bastard. Hey, what's up, fam? Good morning, chef. How are you? You just missed my breakfast. Time to cosplay as Maui from one. Bro, that's like me every day with the kids. But yeah, who's if you're a part of the Discord, post in the like general chat of all the you or bloat from Nemo. Is this a dick joke? Jacob, oh wait, is it a 2-dayer? True, I didn't even know. Apple and black coffee. No, I had oats with scrambled egg and frozen berries. How was the Trainer Dragon? Yeah, so if you're part of the Discord, I haven't made a command for YouTube, I'm sorry. I need to get a permanent link for all my channels and post it up. Yeah, just post some characters from the game that you think will be good as... Oh, SummerSlam's a 2-dayer now. Far out. I bet you what's his name is gonna come back. What's his name? Oh yeah. He's gonna come back today. And he'll double cross Solo. Oh, what's his name? Jacob. Vizita! Thank you very much for the 9 months. Hey, happy sub baby day. Congratulations. Nami Hinui for the sub baby. True, it's a 2-dayer now. Yeah, because I was trying to look for it yesterday. So is John Cena today too? Fuck, he didn't last long as if it was the match I saw yesterday. Was he yesterday? I think Zilla's coming. Ooh, that'll be cool. Because he lost his title, eh? To old, I thought Bubba Ray was like, finish. These old fellas like carrying on, eh? Oh, Cena and Rhodes today, oh. True. Because it's free on Netflix, eh? Oh man, it must be starting at like, what, like lunchtime? Oh, I'd be so keen to watch some matches. In 10 minutes? Ah, fuck's sake. Sorry I missed. Where's the Discord? Exclamation mark Discord, my friend. How are we doing, Faye? Let me just go and get my phone check. It's time to bring the talkers on too. Okay, we ready? So with OSRA, it's all... Sorry, just had to reply to a message real quick. Is this a new carving? Yeah, we're doing a carving for our birthday. So, the birthday is actually next month, so all that we have to do really is pretty much just the handle. I've got the other part of this ready to go. I just have to go and pick it up from one of my mates' houses. So we are doing something called a partiti. A partiti is a hatchet, and purely just going to be a ceremonial, or just celebrating the individual on the birthday with the carving as well. And this is what it's gonna be, pretty much. So for now we're just working on the handle, and then pretty much go from there. So one thing, I'm trying to think about what to do with these two pieces here. I know what I'm going to do with the bottom. I'm going to keep it relatively simple, so there's like no headaches, pretty much. Don't have to worry about anything, and then we'll be good to go. But you know, still try and keep that artistic flair. Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. All the way down here in the bottom of the world, my bro. In the southern hemisphere, it's currently winter for us right now. Hence the reason why it's so damn cold. Yeah, I had to get a custom cardboard box made for the Bro Box Boys carving chat, because it can't fit in any of the post office boxes. Hi from Bristol. Hey brother, good morning. Yeah, so for now we're just going to work on the handle, make sure it's a nice shape all the way around, and then maybe today we might tend to this end here. What's the temperature there? I have no idea, brother. No idea. I even downloaded Adventure Quest Worlds off Steam, chat. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that Sharks game was pretty rough, eh? I was watching the Warriors game too, and the Wahinewas as well. Thank you very much, brother Dev. What's AQW? In this economy, I have no idea what we're talking about. Good morning, afternoon. Hey, what's up, E-Triller? No, L-Triller? Wood carving takes big skills, can't make mistakes. Put it this way, brother. We don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. I've made many on stream, but it takes a carver's eye to spot them. But I'm an honest man and I just tell chat anyway. Yeah, brother. That's the thing, you gotta be, don't be afraid to make mistakes, eh? Oh yeah, Adventure Quest Worlds. I've never knew about it, but I played Adventure Quest back in the day when I was young. And boy oh boy. What's up, Jesse? Where in the world are you live from, brother? I live in Aotearoa, New Zealand. Watching all the way from Tonga. Hey, what's up, Dogo? Hope everything is well in the kingdom of Tonga, my brother. Was so peak in its prime. Yeah, bro. It's just been going for a lot of nostalgic games from my childhood. And I used to play Adventure Quest back in the day. And boy, oh boy. What a time to play that game it was. AKW is peak in his prime? True. Did you play the mech one? So the only ones I can remember, I played the Adventure Quest, and there was a dragon one where you could run around. Was it called Dragon Quest? I can't remember, but kind of same format, same characters they had. Bro, we used to slam back at that back in the day. Yeah, my cousins wouldn't let me play Adventure Quest with them, so I ended up old school or Runescape with them at the time. So that's when I would play Warcraft 3 demo and Adventure Quest. Hello, Apple. Bro, Adventure Quest was fun, bro. EverQuest, I can't remember. I just know it was kind of like Adventure Quest, but you could run around and you could choose the color of your armor at the start. So yeah, to those that are, veteran RuneScape players, I'm gonna be trying it very soon. I'm keen to give it a go. Also, just putting it out there, it's your boy's birthday next month, and I need ideas for celebrations. Hey, what up, brother Lucas? Yeah, we're gonna start thinking about some celebrations now. How can I pronounce your name, brother? It's just Brock's brother. The H is just there to look cool. Pretty much. Nothing else. I was just trying to be unique, because BROX was taken. And all different kinds of characters. That's the only reason. Yo, thank you very much, Alfie and Irish for the roses. And Will as well for the donut. Yeah, that was pretty much the only reason why I put the H there, just to look cool. Yeah, so once I'm happy with this, then we may look at these ends here, but I'm probably gonna cut a bit off this end. Kelly, thank you very much for the penguins, my bro, and Alex with the karpai, and brother Will with the manawa. Yeah, if it feels good, then we'll roll with it. So once I get an acceptable round on all of this, then I'll probably cut some off on the sides. Just cut some off on the sides here, and after that we'll round these. Hey, the local Chad! That's you, you're the knee knocker, taper to your leg, face kicker. How are you, brother Chad? Also, if you're an OG to the stream, the return of the Half Pie News next week. It has been a long time coming, ladies and gentlemen, but it is time to bring back the Half Pie News. The RuneScape music. Yeah, brother, gonna try and play it, my bro. Never once have I played RuneScape in all my life, but I'm keen to try. But I remember seeing you years ago. Hey, brother. Yeah, it's been about 5 years now. Now, my bro. She's cold here. Oh, bro, you're in Nelson. Of course it's gonna be cold. Far off. Bugger that, my bro. Do you get snow in Nelson, my bro? I would assume so, right? Hey, you, brother Chris. Bro, that potato filter reminds me of my my daughter, bro. She absolutely loves using it. The little Donny Thornberry one out of all my kids. It's the time for you, 12:30 for me. It is currently 10 o'clock in the morning. In the hills around us. Oh, yeah. You're that guy. What guy are you talking about? Hey, brother. What do you mean, that guy? What do you mean, that guy? Hey, brother Eugene over on the tube. Sorry, just chicken. We can take some off on the sides here. And then we'll redraw the center. Hold up, where's my pencil? Oh, I lost it again, chat. There you go. Sorry, just had to fix that up a bit. Put on, bro needs to put on a sea shanty. Oh, leave her, Johnny, leave her. For the voyage is long and the winds don't go. Well, it's time for us to leave her. Hey, brother, how you doing? What's up, Herminator? I'm doing good, my bro. Doing good. Had a very busy weekend. Just with the kids, my bro. So I didn't really have any time to do any carving offline. I was trying to sort out Box Boy's bloody carving to send out over the weekend, but got stuck with family commitments because I have to sort out a box for the carving because it's too long. It's too long for any of the post office boxes. So I gotta try and figure out where to get a... Oh, I've figured it out. They're just waiting for it to make a custom one. A custom box so we can send it off. My missus scammed me. She told me Nelson is the sunshine capital of NZ and ever bought in December. Then we moved here and it's cold as hell. Yeah, I used to compete with Whakatane for sunshine capital, the title, but they never won. But yeah, she scammed you, my bro. Hey, what up, Kairos? How you, brother? Long time no see, my bro. Runescape songs, yes sir. Yo, Kairos, bro. Thank you very much for the galaxy, brother. Thank you. If you're wondering what we're carving, we're actually just in the early stages of a partiti or a hatchet that is due for a birthday next month. Have you made gore howl yet? No. Hope the family are warm. Yeah, well, they're warm. Baby's growing. growing really, really fast. She sits up on her own now. And she's 3 months. Yeah, she sits up on her own. Yaps like no tomorrow. Yeah, she's an absolute yapper, man. She can yap, bro. Hey, much love there, Mura. Much love, brother. Why haven't you made Go How yet? So I don't want to. That's why. Yeah, so I am playing some RuneScape music today because it's a game that I'm going to be trying out soon. And I'm trying to get fully immersed. Thank you, brother Ben, for the hat. You're trying to get fully immersed in it. So the timber itself is called Rata. R-A-T-A is how you spell it. And it is a hard timber, similar, well, it's exactly like my mallet. Same timber. Thank you, Azazel. Cheer from Wiriwa. Hey, morning all the way in Wiriwa, my bro. Also, Lizard. Do you sell your work? I definitely do. I only have 3 pieces to sell though. Can you hide my name on the carving? Can you hide my name on the carving? But this is not for you. Sorry. Morning in Christchurch. Oh, freezing your nuts off down in Christchurch, I bet, my bro. This carving's actually for my uncle. Cheer, brother from Pilbara, Western Australia. Cheer, brother. Kia ora from Ngamotu. Where's Ngamotu? I don't really get out much cold airs. Oh, I bet, my bro. I bet. Kairos, thank you very much for the gifty again, my bro. Yeah, it's probably sunny airs in Christchurch with a cold airs wind. Thank you, Kairos and brother Jacob. We have another nostalgic carving clip coming up today, chat. We'll be uploading on all platforms. Of my first carvings that I ever did on Twitch. Probably be the last one for a while. And then I will carry on from there. But I want to say thank you very much for all the support on all the social platforms that I'm on as of late, chat. They've been going crazy. What do you do with all the carvings when they're finished? We send them. Thank you very much, brother Len, for the cap. Yeah, we'll be sending them off, brother. Love, hey, much love, brother Jacob. Hang on, chat. I'm just looking for a chisel. I can see it. Yo, Kairos, thank you, brother. Okay, here we go. I'll sort out the permanent or the proper Discord link today, and I'll put it on all my platforms as well. So I'll do that today. So I've got something going on in the general chat at the moment where I want people's suggestions on old school RuneScape characters I can cosplay as when I start my journey. Yo, Kairos, brother, thank you, my bro. You're going absolutely crazy today, brother. You can chill out, eh? What are you making? We are currently doing a handle for a partiti for a hatchet. Thank you, coach, for the roses. So what the plan is, once I, Once I like the feel of the handle, once that's all done, one thing we're going to do is round these blocks off. So that's our next step, rounding these off. And then I'll most likely start with the bottom first. I'm going to cut a little bit off because there's a bit too much timber there and I don't need all of it. So we'll do that. And I'll continue from there. Brox, your video kept me going through COVID. And look at you now, my brother. You are here. Doing your thing, my bro. Proud of you, brother. What's happening, brother? Hey, what's good, my bro? Yo, Kairos, look after yourself, my bro. Appreciate all the gifties, you know, but you know, I want you to focus on you too, my brother. Appreciate you, my bro. Love you, brother. Have a good day. Oh, sorry, I just bonked the camera. Oh, if you're in the stream, you're gonna hear it from me. If you talk about your fella's accomplishments in life, I'm gonna say I'm proud of you. Straight up. How you been, brother David? Yeah, so we'll slam these. We'll slam these. Just get these cleaning these corners here. What you making today? We're doing a handle for our Partiti, my bro. So I hear Runescape. Yes, I'm going to be giving it a go, my friend. I'm going to be having a bit of a dabble, my bro. What's the OP weapons on the game so I know not to go for them? I'm that guy. I try not to pursue the flavors of the month when it comes to gaming, okay? I was out in the sun for like 4 hours today and I got burned so bad. Damn, I hope you didn't have any... Did you get what, like a brand new t-shirt or a singlet? I remember in summer chat when I was a jandal slash flip flop slash thong wearer, and I got the 10 lines of doom. My advice though is just do quests and get a feel for the game. Yeah, brother, that's the plan. I just want to have fun with it, my bro. I just don't want to be that guy and okay, what's all the OP stuff? I just want to get fully immersed in the game, my bro. And just enjoy it, eh? Full immersion. So I've got a thing on Instagram at the moment, chat, a questionnaire thingy, where I've asked people as well on Insta to drop some answers in the questionnaire and tell me what character I would look good as in RuneScape, and then we'll try and find a costume for said character for me to wear on stream. Okay? If anyone has any ideas, let me know. Let me know, alright? And then we'll try and find it. And also, I've been playing League of Legends a lot. Not good. And you know what's even worse? We've been winning a lot of the games too. I've started maining characters that I don't normally play. Hey, what's up, G. Brenton, over on the tube, all the way in England, brother? I bet it's evening for you. Make your own head. I have an X head ready to go, my brother. Yeah, so one of my bros, because I knew he had some hatchets, or some hatchet heads, and I asked him if I could have one of them. Yeah, all good. He had a big one and a small one. I just asked for the smaller one. Leave the big one with him. Yeah, I couldn't find my rasp, my lucky rasp, so I'm using a chisel for now. I mean, it's not any harder to use a chisel. But yeah, I can't find my lucky rasp. Thank you for the corgi. Do you stream on Twitch or anywhere else, bro? I'm currently live on Twitch, YouTube, Kick, and TikTok. All under Brox. Brox underscore on Twitch. Brox on YouTube with no underscore. Brox on Kick with no underscore as well. So if you want to follow all the socials there, feel free to do so. Hello from England, Barnsley. Hello, brother. Yeah, we've just been flat out with piece after piece, pretty much. Got a couple finished offline as well. There's even offline chat I'm carving as well. Who am I thanking? K7Boy22, thank you very much for gifting a sub, brother. Thank you. If you do get it gifted, please give a thank you to the gifters, please. Hello from Liverpool. Hello. What's the time in Liverpool? Or what's the time for everyone, really? I know it's going to be late for England and the EU. And some parts of America. Hi from Ireland. Hey, brother. So this Friday, I will be doing a carving stream outside of my normal hours, okay? So, I will be starting at 3 AM NZ time on Friday morning, okay? So I think once a week I'm gonna do a carving stream outside of my normal hours. I think that's the plan. Okay. Cut off a bit of timber there. And then you should be good. Where is it cold in August? The southern hemisphere. Haven't seen a style of carving before? Oh, we're just doing a handle, brother. Yeah, nothing too crazy. The initial carving of it all won't start till we do these, when we start getting into these blocks here. Yeah, I've misplaced my my lucky rasp, so I don't know where it is. So we kind of just gotta use a chisel for now. But other than the chisel, we will also use a ruler. Okay? So we use a ruler as well. Not bad, not bad. Hey, what's up, Booze? Okay. Have no fear. She's a ruler. But the thing is, don't go like this, eh? Just like in Surf's Up, eh? Long, slow, smooth. Alright. So that's another way that we're using the ruler just to shape it up too. Yeah, bro, go to sleep if it's late in your country. Hey, it's not too late for me, man. Straight up. There will be other streams. There you go. So just wanted to do that. And we can carry on. So I'll do the same on the other side too. So do the same thing. So we got that down with the ruler, as you can see. So we'll do the same on the other side. And then we'll look at these sides too. Oh, where's my rasp, man? I'm so annoyed at that, eh? See what happens when big spring clean happens? You lose stuff. got this one, but it's not a rough one. Love the background music. Thank you, sir. Sorry about that. Chad was trying to find. See if I could find one. No luck though. Fuck, I don't know what I did with it, eh? Thank you very much, brother. What's that? Lionel? Did I say that right? Tēnā koe Sarah, mōrena. What are you making today? We're doing a handle for a patiti, for a hatchet, for a birthday next month. So this is for one of the uncles. So my auntie commissioned me to do it, and pretty buzzy because I'm getting paid for it. It don't normally happen. It doesn't normally happen, so hey, take it while you can. Yeah, normally when family asks for carvings, they don't normally pay. Or not a mention of money or support. It's normally just a thank you, and then they go about their merry way. But no, my auntie said, no, I'm going to pay you, you got kids. I was like, oh, thank you. So yeah, that was surprising I must say. Boom. There we go. Been watching you since 217. You're gonna be a billionaire. I don't know if I'll ever be a billionaire, because if I was, you'd know. Because you'd know if I was a billionaire, because I would be carving in 4 wars. Yeah, I'd be carving in 4 wars by now in a shed, but nope. I'm from the future. Oh, okay. What's the lotto numbers for the weekend? 15 million, apparently. Alright. Next weekend. No, this weekend. 15 million this weekend. What's the lotto numbers? Nah, this weekend I'm away this weekend. It's my daughter's 7th birthday. I don't have to go for majority of it because they're having a pamper day. Thank goodness. I think it's 17. Oh, 17. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna be away here for my daughter's birthday. 7 years as a father. It's been hard. It's been great. Just thankfully I have my wife as well beside me as we both learn. I think the hardest part about parenting lately, this is just pure experience from me, probably schooling. Schooling's been the hardest one. And now with the government scrapping NCEA, I'm like, oh jeez. But yeah, like in general, I'd say that schooling has been a big challenge. Just trying to help. Me and my wife have been trying to help our daughter in terms of like her schoolwork. Because let's be honest, chat, I'm not the smartest one when it comes to maths in the relationship. Thank frick that my wife's all about that. I was that kid at school, you know, when we had like a maths test. They go, excuse me, why weren't you at your maths test today? I was like, when am I going to use that in carving? I know, dumbass. So I don't think like me. Like, it's good to have it regardless. Yeah, but that was my mentality as a young fella, because I was so fixated and I knew what I was going to do in life. And it wasn't maths. But you know, should have carried on. But somehow did the maths test and I got a merit. Have you met Shan? Shan who? Is this a dick joke? I hope it's a good one if it is. Is it called where you are? Yeah. Oh, mind you, like the other week we were carving a -1. It was great. Yo, what up, Richie? Over on Tube. I need the lotto numbers for real, for real. Don't we all, my bro? 15 million on the lotto. That's crazy. But I think the first thing I'd do if I ever won is probably give some to my mum. Retire her. And then retire my mother-in-law and my father-in-law. Retire them. And then get a house. That's it. Yeah. The strat is buy 5 of them, or is even buying 5 is a bit expensive. Yeah, I just I don't really play Lotto that much anyway, so tip for tip. Okay, what I want to do now, get this rasp. Don't gamble, dude. Nah, don't. I don't, brother. I'll just get 1 now and again, but genuinely I don't gamble. Like, if I haven't mentioned before, I've been approached by gambling websites for a long time. Like last week, I got approached by one for 75 grand. And I said no. And they kept, pushing and pushing and pushing, and I just said, if you can offer me 100 hectares of land, you might change my mind. And then they stopped messaging. I was like, oh, there's the strat. Ask for land. Thank you very much, Infinite Void, for the roses, my bro. Yo, Tia, thank you very much for being here as well. And also, Stretson, thank you for the GGs. Do you like to watch UFC? I only watch Max Holloway, because he's the first big UFC streamer to support me, and a couple of the fighters from here. The roses for the missus. I will make sure they get to her, my bro. Do you have any favorite tools or brands? Not really. Yeah, I mean the Swiss chisels are probably the ace ones for me, because I've used them for so long. Power tools, probably Makita. Yeah, Makita be the one. But you know, grateful for anything that I have. Do you think John Jones is coming back? Oh, personally, I don't care. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of him because he hit his wife. Need to learn the way how you get that much aura. I don't really know much about aura farming other than have you seen Blade's Lord Icon? Bro, that is aura farming. Or the character in general is an aura farming character. He looks so sick in Marvel Rivals, bro. Man, I remember watching you when you first started. Hey, Joe Benjamin. Thank you, brother. Hate to say it, Brooks, that jacket is now hanging for dear life. Yeah, I've had it since 1995. That's what I was supposed to do, search them up. Search up the company that makes these jackets. Keep up the great works. Always pleasure to come past you. Hey, cheers, brother. We gotta get the Jeff Landshark with the high top skin. Bro, that's actually a fire one, eh? That's actually a pretty on emote. If they ever bought that out as a skin, I'd main him as a support. Have you seen Blade's Lord Icon, bro? It's clean, bro. Thank you very much for the manawa. Is it, what was that name? Kubi? Booby? What are you making? We are currently making a handle for a partiti or hatchet. Oh, from Napier. Che. I got whānau there live in Napier. Yeah, I need to cut this off. I gotta go to oranges are orange. That is very true. But did you know there are oranges that are red on the inside too? Haven't played since release, but I'm getting pretty keen. Yeah, I'm keen to jam Blade, bro. I've been gonna run some games with the bro Naughty Lifts. Bro, keen to do a overlay if you're keen. What are you making? We are currently making a handle for a partiti. Yo, Sicarius, thank you for the 5 bomb, bro. That dude's crack, bro. He's crack up too. He's crack up. He I was following him on TikTok for a while, and then he dropped into the stream, and then he goes, bro, keen to play some more Rivals. I was like, bro, I love watching your content, and then pretty much hit it off from there. It's just a matter of trying to find the timing Always keen. Yeah, bro, can I get a half pie news overlay? I'm trying to find a nostalgic crafting overlay from a game that we might put on here. I don't know if anyone would be keen for an overlay on here or not. Might be time to just change up the stream a little bit. Crazy Hulk player without the Hulk, yeah. Or banner. So he asked if I wanted to have a couple of games. I went, yeah, all good. You love wood? Yes, I've only touched wood in the morning, as you can clearly see. Only in the morning, my friend. We'll be keeping it on brand on Friday. 3 a.m. twitch.tv/Brox. 3 a.m. vibes. Carvings stream thing. Be there or be asleep, I guess. Thank you very much, Taquito, for the whatever that was. Oh, for the big shout out. Bro, did you ever jam old school Runescape back in the day, Thunder? Or better yet, did you ever jam carving outside? Now being inside for that stream. Where did you learn how to carve? So my uncle. Okay, break time. So my uncle was the first one to introduce me to the world of Whakairo back in primary school at 12 years of age. So this is going back a very, very long time. Who knows, maybe a portion of the Twitch chat may have been swimming around still, may not be. But yeah, back when I was 12 years old is when I initially, 406, thank you very much for the TikTok thingies, and Dragos for the manawa as well. So essentially, yeah, I started back when I was 12 years old. And then carrying on my learning, I stayed with my uncle till about 16, learning with him. And then I moved away from home at 16 to here, back in 08, 09. And I didn't go into the carving class that was at Rokura at the time, so I went to Rotorua Boys High School for my final senior year. And then I didn't go into the carving class because they were more working with MDF, and like that cardboard paper mache wood. So I just carried on my learning at home, or like when I was living with my auntie at the time, because she took me in so I could school here. So I did that, and then eventually I made my way up to NZMACI, New Zealand Maori Arts and Crafts Institute, and carried on my learning there for 3 years pretty much. So it's a 3-year course. So the difference being with that one, it's like applying for a job, except you need your whakapapa, your genealogy, a carving portfolio or art portfolio if you have one, and you know, CV, referees, all those kind of things. So one of the requirements for the school is you have to be of Maori descent. Percentages is not a thing in our culture. It's yeah, if you're Maori, then you're eligible to apply for the school. So for 3 years, in your first year, you learn all the difficult stuff first. So you learn about 3-dimensional carvings and patterns. So all the patterns that we have in the world of Whakairo. 3-dimensional working with the timber from, you know, all angles, I guess. The second year I feel like is more your pivotal year, so you learn all the tribal styles of the country, of every single tribe. And in the third year it's more working with hard timber, like weapons and whatnot, and small intricate carvings. At the same time, it's you know, helping the institute out with whatever jobs they may have. And then yeah, I graduated back in 2018. of the 42nd intake, 5 of us started, only 3 of us graduated. 2 were let go from our intake. And pretty much after that, I graduated and I got a job at Tamaki Maori Village. Back then, I was the resident carver of the company. So I would be on display for tourists, you know, carving in front of them, asking their questions and whatnot. And then eventually, boom, COVID hit. Yeah. Do you know much about cars? Not so much the bits that go in the motor. Yeah, I watch Samet. Anime Freak, thank you very much for the roses. Yeah, Samet and Chelsea as well, and my boy Hossi Lala, who's a drifter as well, who streams. Watching you on Twitch for years, nice to just go by and see. Hey, brother. You're my favorite person in the Southern Hemisphere. Hey, thanks, my bro. Favorite cars? Oh man, there's a few. I like all the old school JDMs, eh? Like, I like all of those cars. If I have to move into the more modern, the 34, R34, A90, what else? Oh man, there's so many, eh? There's so many I could choose from. But I like a lot of those old school JDM cars. They're cool. I like them. Thank you, Sarah and Kuvan Brower. Thank you very much, you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much where I started doing Whakairo back home in primary school. The big nice guy from Frozen. What did you call me? Yoo-hoo, hey family. Scotland, Jerry brother. Thank you very much, Joep, for the heart me. Kia ora. Yeah, so since then, like since 12 years old, I'm now turning big summer blowout. I turned 34 next month, so that's how long I've been carving for, since the age of 12. And pretty much will continue to do so until I can't carve anymore. What wood do you prefer working with, and have you ever had any humidity problems? Humidity problems? Not so much. Maybe a minor little bit in summer. Summer's kind of like the season I have to watch out for with the timber, but I keep them in nice places so they don't, you know, split and all that stuff, which is annoying. In terms of the timber, I prefer just anything really. I'll carve anything, man. I'm not fussy. Favorite kind of timber to carve is probably free timber. Doesn't matter how ugly or how knotty it is, brother. At the end of the day, you know, it's something that I'm willing to carve. And my eyes, if you ever receive like a real knotty or ugly piece of timber, that's the beauty of the challenge, eh? Making something that looks, you know, ugly, beautiful. In terms of like carving. Thank you, Caden, for the roses. Tina koe, my bro. Yeah, that's one of the things I love a lot about it. Yeah. Glad to see you keeping up. And how's the finance? Kia ora, Sean. Yeah, finance going good. With so we celebrated 5 years on Twitch this year. Me and my wife had another bubba. We celebrated our 1 year of being married and our 10 years of being together. And just, you know, enjoying watching our children grow up, pretty much. Is camping gear expensive in New Zealand? I would say camping gear in general, maybe? But I haven't been camping in a while, brother. So, off the top of my head, I wouldn't really know. I'd like to take my family camping, though, through the summer. I'm thinking for the summer we'll go up to Coromandel. Let's go to the beach, eh? Nothing like a beach barbecue in a tent, man. Big tent with the kids. Sounds like bloody paradise to me. Thank you, CG Crocodile, for the roses. Cheers, Dunno. Cheers, brother. Thank you, brother CG Crocodile. It's not badly priced if you shop around. Yeah, I guess I'm, you know, looking at all the potential Any crocodiles? What? Any crocodiles in what? In your pants? I don't know what you mean. How you going, Brox? Myself? Yeah, I'm going good, brother. Just been chipping away, trying to get, push content out. At the same time, trying to eat healthy too. Not only myself, but for my family as well. Yeah, it's just been really busy, like outside of the stream with the family. Yeah, haven't really had a break at all. But hey, it's all good. Where would you buy a chisel set in NZ? If I have to be completely honest, Carbatec. CARBATEC. Just a little thing from me, they are not cheap, man. Yeah. How's the wife and kids? They're good, they're annoying, they're happy. My wife's annoying, she's happy. So yeah, just the norm, my bro. What else? Any other change? No, nothing really. Anything else that's been happening with us? Just been. So, all me and my wife have been doing lately is just budgeting. Yeah, budgeting and saving, because we're gonna maybe look at a house at the end of the year, hopefully. But it kind of depends, on the situation. But we'll see how we go, man. Hopefully we can crack something. So yeah, we've just been trying to save. Favorite football team? Is this NFL or like football/soccer? If it's football/soccer, I don't really watch it. Do you voice act the Rock dude? No. NFL, the Eagles. Jordan Mailata is my favorite player. But also going to be supporting the 49ers this year because the bro's playing for them. Oh, Delia. Hausen, most likely a house in Rotorua. Because, the kids are content here, they're comfortable, they love their school. The only other place we'd ever move is probably back to my wife's hometown, which is Whakatane. But other than that, the kids, are happy here, so we don't really want to, upset that. Sorry, it's cool. I haven't seen you since 2022. How are you? I'm good. Yeah, so my wife is actually from a place called Whakatane. Specifically Wairaka. What's her surname? I'm not telling you. I like to keep my wife and my life off-stream private. Where do you live? Aotearoa, New Zealand, in Rotorua. How's the family? We're good, my brother. We're good. Just enjoying life and enjoying watching baby grow. Yeah. Have you seen Viva La Dirt League? Yes, I have. I also want to play Viva La Dirt League's that fishing game they were playing. All I saw in their comment was League, because I've been playing a lot of League of Legends off stream as well. I didn't think I'd say it, chat. Like, some of the champions that I used to main, Volibear, Ornn, all of them. Bro, I've been vibing with Akali, Caitlyn, Syndra, a lot of mid laners as well. Who else have I been playing? Just my whole champ select that I've been playing. Aurelia's another one that I've been playing. Set. But you'll only ever see me on ARAM. I made a new account to learn how to play the game again. I have an account already, but under Brox. But I had to make another account to learn how to play the game. I've seen the stream you did at the mud pools. It's beautiful in your town. Oh yeah, at the Puya? Yeah. I'm trying to work on a YouTube series right now where I kind of go around to the different Maori tourism places and kind of showcase them. So that's going to be on the agenda for a while. I just got to figure out when I can go and do them. Morning, El. Can't say the name. El Torinador? Torondo? Did I say that right? What's up, testing? How cold is it there? I don't know. Genuinely, I do not know. How do I want to do this, man? I definitely want to take the handle and cut a bit of a section off here. Yeah, this handle's a bit handy. Like it's gotta take it down a bit. Like it's good for me, but because the uncle's pretty old, he probably can't even hold it there well. Pencil. So I wanted to start carving myself. How would you recommend getting started? Ko te mea nui. Try and get you some chisels. Don't try and get the King Dingaling expensive ones straight away. If you have whānau that have chisels, mea rawa me pātai ki a rātou. Go and ask your family if they have any. But keep in mind that chisels are very expensive if you are going to go that route too. Like for me, for example, I started with hardware store chisels. I still got them today too that I use. But if you're looking to get your own set, C-A-R-B-A-T-E-C, Carbotech is where you want to start looking, and then you'll actually see how much the tools are. But if you have any friends or whānau that already have chisels that you can use, ask them. I'd say that much. I'd definitely say ask them first. And in terms of timber, if you can get you some pine, if you can get you some tōtara, or even practicing on MDF, it's more so getting used to your tools first. Hello from Russia. Privet, brother. How are you? Yeah, that would be my suggestion. Come on, chat. I'm gonna take this handle in. Wait, did I say hello or thank you? I think I might have said thank you. Is there any pieces you worked on only to mess it up? Couple of them. But hey, nothing but a power and glue couldn't fix. Where are we? Chat, as you all know, I've been going for a car phase as well. My cousin was selling his Laurel. I was tempted to say, can I have it? It was a nice Laurel too, looks so good, bro. Because he's moving to Australia. Ooh. Hold up. How's SummerSlam going, chat? I need updates. I need updates, chat room. I need them updates. See you, Wendy. Have a good day. Yeah, I need updates on SummerSlam. Who's currently at it right now? I seen what's her name? Ric Flair's daughter and Alexa Bliss won the tag team championships. Yeah, I saw that they won those. Tag match right now. Who's that tag match, my bro? Yeah, who's the tag match? You're gonna have to give me updates. It's everyone. Wait, what? Oh, I did hear about that. Far out. Everyone gets a shot, eh? I'm looking forward to Jacob's match, eh? Obviously, Solo's crew's gonna get involved. My prediction is, what's his name? Oh yeah. He's gonna come back. He's gonna double cross Jacob. I reckon that's gonna happen. But a big if is that Zilla turns up, eh? That's the big if for today. Because he just debated at TNA as well, eh? Really want Jacob to win, man. Yeah, he's been my favorite. He's been my favorite solo run at the moment. Is this old school? Yo, burnt shrimp. It definitely is, my brother. I'm gonna give it a go this week, my bro. I've never played old school RuneScape in my life, my bro. And I didn't want to jump on it while, you know, all the big streamers were at it. So I was kind of waiting it out. And yeah, I'm gonna look at doing old school RuneScape stream, my bro. But the difference is I want to dress up as one of the characters, you know, full immersion type things. That's the plan anyway, that's the plan. There you go. Yo, what up, Sultan? How you, brother? What are you making? We are currently doing a handle for a partiti, or a hatchet. For a birthday next month. Oi. Yeah, so the nitty gritty for this carving won't necessarily start till we get these done. Thank you very much, Arada, for the Night Star and the roses as well. Yep. Nice and flat. Beautiful. Much better. Did you finish the hook? Yeah, all that's really left to do is cut out the middle. I was supposed to do it over the weekend, but I got pretty busy with the kids. Yo, brother Harry, thank you for the kits, my bro. And brother Aaron for the roses. Nice and clean. Yeah, I've got to try and find my lucky rasp, chat. Don't know where I put it. Where are we? What are you making? We're currently doing a handle for a partiti. So a partiti is a hatchet. It's for a birthday. Yo, brother chef.
Morning, boss.
Morning, my brother. Morning, morning, morning. Hope you're doing well, my bro. Thank you very much for the 63 months, my bro. Absolutely crazy work, my brother. Thank you very much for the aroha for the last 63 months, as always, my bro. Certified chef in the chat, Fano. Hope you're looking after yourself, my bro. Hope all is well with you and yours, like always. And good to see you again, my brother. Fake chef. All good, brother. Low-key, looking clean. Ah, yeah, looks all good, brother. Looks all good. Would have been done ages ago if I found my rough rasp. But I don't know where I put it. One of those, have a big spring clean, eh, and forgot where you put it. Not the one, my bro, not the one. Favorite unk title is Elite. Yeah, I don't know what to put as my stream titles half the time. So I just said, bugger it, and I'll do that for a bit of a laugh. Why am I doing that when I can use a ruler? Anyone into cards in the chat? I just found my Pokemon cards, but the reason why I say that is because League of Legends or Riot's come out with their own cards, and bro, the art on them are clean. It's called Riftbound. And the art on the Riftbound cards, bro, they look mean. I actually genuinely like them. I think my favorite one was probably the Ari one. The Ari card looked really nice. I'm wondering if I use this or just use the ruler. Thank you for the roses, digging. What you been up to though, brother chef? I'm doing good, chilling before work. Oh, nice, nice, nice. I want to see some of these suggestions in the Discord too, if there's any in there. There you go. I haven't seen you in forever. How are you doing? I'm doing good, my bro. Doing good other than being cold, brother. You know, still here, still going, brother. Making sure I get streams in for everybody. How are you doing, brother? Thank you very much for the roses as well. What are you carving? We are doing a partiti handle. So this is going to be a handle for a hatchet. It's due next month. So pretty much the birthday's next month. So, you know, got to slam it. Get it done before then. But have no fear. We will. We will definitely get this done. Someone sent a direct message to the creator. Oh, me. Oh. Yeah, so my auntie reached out earlier in the year. Well, at first she only wanted a taiaha and a patu done for one of the cousins for his birthday next year. But then she said she had a birthday this September for one of the uncles, and she asked if I could carve a partiti for him, which is a hatchet. So obviously it's not going to be used for its old purpose. It's more so as a gift as well. The Professor, thank you very much, my bro. And Tao with the koalas as well. So that's pretty much what we're up to. Big ups, brother. I hope you're doing good. Hey, what's up, brother Jay? How you doing, my bro? I'm doing good, brother. Doing good. Had a pretty chill weekend with the wife, watching Chief of War. Now I gotta wait every Friday for a damn episode. So we started watching C. It's actually quite good. I don't know about their queen lady though. She's a bit of a dirty bug, eh? Her way of praying in the program chat is straight getting munched out. I was like, oh, okay, that's different. Yeah, so the hook is actually for a Twitch viewer. So in the Twitch channel, there's a chat redeem there. If you redeem 1,000,000 channel points, you get yourself a free carving. And that was the 3rd time it's been redeemed as well. Are you... Yep, I am live on Twitch right now. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we're up to right now, is just prepping this piece. And then eventually start designing it. Yeah. Oh, well, we have to mold it first. I've got an idea of what I want to do. So we'll try and execute that plan. And then eventually, finish it. Yeah, this won't take long to finish. I at least want to try and be molding this week as well. Yeah, so this week as well on Friday morning stream is going to be at 3 AM. And yes, it is going to be a carving stream as well. Feed the yak! What's up, brother? So, yeah, 3 AM carving stream Friday. It's more so just, you know, a carving stream to carve in a different time zone. Seeing what it's like. And saying hello to EU and the US in their peak times as well. Because the US and EU abroad are probably the two countries that watch me the most. Then after that it's Australia. And then many other countries in between. Yeah, I'm a novice and would like to expand my skills. Yeah, mainly just chisels majority of the time, my bro. Obviously I do use power tools as well, just to save some time. But majority of the time, brother, you'll see me on chisels. Some Mankins, kia ora. Jakey, thank you very much for the rose, my bro. Love your work, tēnā koe, thank you. Just wondering if I took it in enough. I guess for now. So once we finish, or once I finish, when I'm satisfied with where this is at, then we'll move on and shape the other sections of this as well. Getting better. I'm trying to make the handle smaller because, you know, obviously my mitt is a bit bigger than my uncle's hand, so I'm catering to my grip, so we've got to take it down a bit. G'day from Australia. G'day, brother. How's it going? Love your work. Thank you very much, bye Skreeg. Cheers, my bro. Yo, thank you very much for the cats, my bro. Yeah, so we'll try and get this handle done or sorted today. Try and get that done today. And then after that, I want to work on these. So we'll round them. Thank you very much for the rose, Pablo, and MF Cash as well. Good evening from the UK. Always very curious to See if my name rings a bell. Dragami. Dragami. Dragami, Dragami, Dragami. Oh, there's a cat next to me. Wow, I genuinely can't remember, my bro. Sorry, I'm a bit of a goldfish at times too, brother. Morning from Brunei. Morning. Were you one of the ones that asked about Expedition 33? Could be. Could be. I think I remember you asking if I've played that game yet. And I'll be honest, I still haven't played that game. I still haven't played Expedition 33, guys. And I know how much of an amazing game it is too. But yeah, I still haven't jammed it. Oh, was you? Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, no, I still haven't played it, brother. Sorry, just checking to see if there's any... There's a bump there. Hold up. Let's fix that, then we'll move on. You can't see it, but dude, it's good. I know, bro. I just, yeah, it's hard to it's a clean handle. Oh, just feeling out if there's any bumps. So it's straight all the way until here where my finger is. There's a little bump there, so I'm gonna take it out. Not with a chisel though. I'll just use a rasp. There we go. Much better. Way better. Just reround that. There we go. Come on. Now we can move on. There's a code over there. It most definitely is my brother. Hello from Zichia. Greetings from Switzerland. We. You suffer from insomnia too. Hold on, let me go back. Thank you very much, LFC, for the donuts. And the beer. And the heart. Oh my days. There was a cat that just ran past me. Thank you very, very much for the Aroha, my bro. And also user 169362669. Oh damn. Thank you very much. Was that a raccoon? Nah, that was a cat. What kind of camera do you use? Just a Elgato one. Just a normal streaming cam. Yo! Vent! Thank you very much for the galaxy, bro. Thank you very, very much, brother. I appreciate that. Thank you very, very much, brother. Yeah, that was a cat. We don't have raccoons in our country. Although I did see that Elgato released a 4K camera. Crazy. Alright. Alright. Carrying on. Thank you, Sanchez, for the roses. Kakite anō, gotta feed the kids. Ah, ka pai. Kakite. Have a good day with the tamarikis. Alright. Alright, next side. Hopefully we can get this done. Thank you very much to all those enjoying the stream today. Sorry if it's a bit of a boring one, but it's just what I have to do. Gilness, yo, thank you for the Optimus Prime. Good afternoon, Brox in chat. Good afternoon, brother. Oh, good. It's still morning for me for another half an hour. Thank you very much. Favorite shape flavor? I ain't gonna lie. I like the. I only know them by box color. Is it the pink box? And probably chicken. Pretty basic. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Yeah, I'm pretty basic with it, my bro. Yo, Lewis, I've been good, my bro. I've been really good. Just enjoying family time a lot. How's the weather over there this time of year? Normally, around this time, it's normally wet, brother. Wet and cold. So we're currently in winter right now. New piece, yes, we are doing a handle for a party T or X handle. Oh, hatchet, sorry. Nice and flat. Haven't seen this fella in ages. What's up, brother Hudson? How you been, brother? How you been? Make sure I get these rounds nice. Beautiful. Nice. Yeah, so what we're making once again, whānau, is the handle of a pātiti. A pātiti is basically a hatchet. Pretty much. That's what a pātiti is. And in saying that, this won't be used for its old purposes. It's for a birthday. For my uncle's birthday, actually. Let's get this flat now, and we can move on. Alright. Hey Hannah, thank you very much Dale for the rose, my bro. I mean hi. What's up? Let me just take my plate back inside, chat. Okay, so I was just having a quick hug with the baby. Yeah, my bro, new piece. pretty much all that's left to do on your one, my bro, is just cut the middle out. I gotta try and... I would try and get it done this weekend, but it's my baby's birthday. And I'll be honest, I don't have enough gas to get the Bunnings. I've gotta save it for school drop-off. Sorry, my bro. Budgeting things. Fucking gas right now is so expensive, bro. It's like $10 for 3 litres, 3.5 litres. Alright, yeah, that's good enough. Alright. So this is due next month. Should be able to get it done, but if I feel the crunch, it'll just take one offline session to finish it. But the plan is to try and get it done on stream. Because I'll be honest, you want to know something? I've never actually made one. I've never actually made a partiti chat. Yo, what a great Canadian bacon bits. Bacon bits. Your art is amazing. Your art is amazing. Sorry your clout fell off. Oh, all good. All good. Yo, what up, Gorilla? Thank you very much, John, for the koala. Kia ora, my bro. Love Fiti, thank you very much for the roses. One and a K1 dog TTK. Are you from Te Teko? It's the only place I know that rolls those letters. Yeah, brother. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, you said, nah, never have, brother. Never have, my bro. That's why I thought that comment was funny. But mind you, I've been getting a lot of those, you know, those cheeky stabs comments lately. I don't know what's in the water, but I think they're quite funny. Thank you very much, brother Jordan, for the manawa. One moment, chat, be what you said. Was the song finished? Oh no. Oh, it is. Yeah, we banged out a whole 2 hours of Runescape music. Yeah, I'm keen to give it a go, chat. Straight up. How cold is it where you are, dude? It's not so bad anymore. Made me laugh. So yeah, bro. Yeah, I've been getting like over the last 2 weeks, I've been getting a lot of those kind of comments lately. Love the streams, even though you fell off. I'm like, for fuck's sake. When really it's just, you know, I think they just wanted to say I fell off. Just say it, brother. Be straight up. Yo, 40k Charlie, thank you for the fireworks, my bro. And G for the roses. Just say it straight up, my brother. Keep up the good work always, my bro. Always. So we're almost done with the handle itself. So almost done. We need to focus on it a bit. I have an idea of what I want to do with the handle, so I'm not going to keep it plain Jane. I've got an idea. So I'm gonna actually try and design something on it. Well, essentially that's what I want to do. I actually don't have a set, like, I don't have a set design in my head, kind of going as I please. Can I have an update for SummerSlam, please? Always just been vibing. Oh, yeah, I don't know, brother. It's just the shit people like to say, I guess. Can I have a SummerSlam update, please? How did that tag team BR go? And what's the match now? Who won? Who won their tag team match? I forgot about night 2. Yeah, I didn't even know there was a night 2 as well. It's been a day here for me. Yeah, it's yeah, no SummerSlam update chat. Feels bad, man. Hopefully we get someone soon. Oi! Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. I just caught the last couple seconds of it. Yo, thank you very much, my bro. Appreciate that, brother. Thank you. That's better. Whoa, hold up. I really want to. Sorry, chat. Just let me focus on this real quick, and I'll be back with you. Okay. Alright, I think we got it. Okay, I'm back. Was playing with friend. Are you excited? Yes, I did see that you could get the open beta, and it's open till the 7th. I didn't even know. Y61. Oh, okay. How's your game, Chef? How is it? I haven't watched any gameplay. I've been kind of trying to stay away to keep it a surprise. So, Warframe Sensei? I understand Warframe had a bit of an update too. And it's a good one. It's a game that I've never played. The old Warframe. Because I'm getting my hype and hope for it at least for a few times. They fucked it. Oh yeah. If it's anything like that other Battlefield before the old school one, bro, we will be eating good. Chicken over the angles of the thing. adamant on going back to BF4. So I'm getting my hopes up. Yeah, bro, because those were good, eh? Those were some peak times for the game, definitely. For sure, my bro. It is getting a bit hot now, so maybe I'll take my jacket off soon. Hey Brox, much love, brother. How are you? One moment. Quick PSA. That is not going to be a peen, alright? That is going to be an end of a handle that is fully designed. Thought I'd put the degenerates on game real quick. Or the Goonucks. I see there's probably some Gooners and Edgelords that are watching right now, just in case. Cut that bit off. And then we'll have a bit of a break. So the Wyatt 6-1, eh? Okay. Alright, let me get something real quick. Wait. I think it's actually behind the camera. Pandemic hero, hey, much love, brother. I've never been called that before. So Church is marking out where I don't want. Don't worry about this, just marking out some stuff. Yeah, I've never been called that before. Machine sounds here. Next door. So someone cleaning their car. Get that brass little. Alright. Much better. Thank you, Sarah, for the DJ glasses. Are you singing Big Sake? I definitely am, sir. This handle still seems relatively humongous, eh? Just a little bit. It's still catering to my grip quite a lot. What are you making? We are making a handle for a partiti. A partiti is basically a hatchet. So it's for a birthday next month. That's all going down next month. It's for my uncle. Or one of my uncles anyway. Understandable nowadays, yeah. Halo 3 was a banger. For like things like BF6 coming out. I played Halo again, but it just didn't feel the same, eh? Looks good quality, yeah. So the timber itself is called Rata. R-A-T-A is how you spell it. One of our more hard timbers that we have. Mother of... Doesn't fit in the voice. Why is it not working now all of a sudden? Excuse me? It was literally in the voice before. What do you even mean? There we go. I was gonna say, bro. Alright. Okay. Come on, you bastard. There you go. Work with me now. There we go. Beautiful. It's 1 AM in the morning. 1 AM you're asked to bed. Looks like a beautiful day on the case. Happy to see you back on the platform. Got a daily grind. Yeah, back on, my bro. Mahi as usual, brother. Mahi as usual. Gotta get it done, my bro. Okay. There you go. Gotta get it done, my brother. Here we go. Love me a clean, sharp chisel. Beautiful. Come on now. Here we go. Only you, baby. That's how we should be. My girlfriend has something like that in her drawer. Far. Sucks to be you then. Man got no diffed by something in the drawer. You walked into that one. Hey, what up, brother Jay? God damn, brother. What's going on here? There you go. Actually, I'll do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. That's how we always should be. You complete me. Sincerely yours from now to the moment I can't breathe. But if it ain't it sounds just like a dream, please don't wait me. Sincerely yours from now until the moment I can't breathe. Actually, before I do that, only you, baby. How am I gonna clean this up? Let me think for a little. It's been a while. Kia ora, Lola. Just rounding this out and then I'll be back with the chat real quick. Okay. But if it ain't sounds like a dream, please don't wait on me. Alrighty. What's up, Sia? Asia official, kia ora. How are you? I see you in TT now. TikTok? Yes, I was streaming on Twitch, Kick, YouTube, and TikTok today. Yeah, I'm still streaming on Twitch. Do you make totems? So the things that totems, what we call them in our culture, are called popo. Oh no, sorry, tickle tickle. I'm thinking of the wrong thing. Tickle tickle is what we call them, my bro. I wouldn't want any other but my son. Where do you sell your stuff? I don't use a website. I rather sell it as is to make a connection instead of being a robot. You gonna watch some rugby next weekend? Probably not. I'm gonna be celebrating my daughter's 7th birthday. Is that a bird on the top? We will probably do a manaya here. Got my eye on this section. I'm probably just going to fully design the end of the handle. Just keep it simple. That's pretty much all I'm going to do. Yo, Brooks. Yo, Brooks, loved you for a while. Is there any chance I can join the live for 2 minutes? Oh, I don't know. I've seen the lives and it gets a bit crazy. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Asia. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I haven't really let anyone join the live before. Not a 7th birthday. Yeah, it's a bloody long time, I'll tell you that much. What's the most you've sold? The most I've sold a carving for was probably $22,000. And that didn't go to me, it went to the Institute. Like, genuinely, on my own, probably the most is 10 grand for a taiaha. I've sold a taiaha for $10,000. But I put that all away into savings for a house. How are you so handsome? I just wash my face in the morning. If you want to have beautiful skin, wash your face. It's getting hot. Okay. Alright. Oh, so that's the secret. Bro, not so humble anymore. Sent a gift, no recognition. Bro, I'm talking and I look away for a split second. I'm sorry. I'm going back anyway. I normally do. Thank you for the finger heart. Nice trying to gaslight me though. ArifK06, thank you for the rose. YBG, thank you for the TikTok. ArifK06, thank you for the 2 roses. And Scumbulous with the 1 rose. Yeah, nice try, Sunshine. What's up, Benihana? I haven't heard that word in a long time. Isn't that a move off Tony Hawk? Gotta go now. See you. All good, brother. See you later. See you later, my bro. Isn't a Benihana a skateboarding move? Yeah. Bro, I remember playing Tony Hawk's. Who was my favourite back in the day? It was Chad Muska and Rodney Mullen. Those were my 2 favourite skateboarders. Yeah. One of my favourites was Underground, when they released Tony Hawk's Underground, when you could get off the skateboard for the first time. Bro, that one was a good one. Bright blue for Bright Man. Cheer, brother. Yeah, when was that released? I wonder if they're going to make a remaster of Underground, eh? I'd probably cop it if they did. Yeah, I don't know what the temperature is here, brother. Hey, Alex, Mr. Bean. Yeah, that's me. My name's on my jersey. I don't know, how do I flip the... I feel like my TikTok stream is a bit backwards, eh? Or was it just me? That game was years ago now, early 2000s. Surely, eh? Surely. Because what, they released Pro Skater 3 and 4? Re-released it? I haven't actually jammed them. Are they any good? Hitting the pop shovets, yeah, bro. That's the one, and you do the McTwist over the helicopter in Hawaii on Underground. Remaster in order too. Yes, hopefully they make it. It's probably going to be next year. And I did see that they released a Darksiders video yesterday. And now they're all together now, so all hell should be breaking loose on that game. The only Darksiders I haven't played was the one with the gun. That's the latest one, eh? That's the only Darksiders I haven't played. Sky and Nopske, thank you very much for the gifties, and Insane Beans as well. I've been waiting for them to come together since the first one. Yeah, bro. Did you see Lucy from Cyberpunk in Guitar Gear? Oh, in Guilty Gear. Oh, is she? Oh, true. Yeah, I haven't really kept up with any game news. I've been feeling another Cyberpunk playthrough, eh? Been thinking about it lately, but I think for now I'll do this RuneScape run through and and keep playing Mr. Pandaria. Come jam Black Ops 6. Oh, I'm over bloody Call of Duties, eh? Bruce Almighty, could you have a little tour of the workshop? A little tour. Welcome. This is the carport. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Sadly, I do not have my own workshop, my bro. Hopefully one day, though. Yeah, hopefully one day, brother. That day comes. Obviously, when we do have our own shed, I'm going to be changing it up quite a bit too, because I want to start doing stone carving as well. You know, I have some. Then hopefully, from that we can start venturing into the other art forms that we have in our culture. But yeah, stone carving is definitely one that I want to do. I've done it before, but I haven't done it in a long time. With Pan Am, Cyberpunk playthrough is just going to end the same with Pan Am, probably. It's the only reason why I like playing that game. It's kind of dumb that you don't get a conclusion with majority of the characters, eh? I gotta say, bro, the ending for the DLC, the worst ending ever. Especially when you wake up and you can't use cybernetics anymore. Fuck, that was such a dumb ending, bro. You just become a normal Andy. Yeah, I'll be, so when we get to that point, we'll start, look at getting a Dremel and then whatever I need for the setup. Yeah, much love, ZK. Cheer, my brother. Can we get a closer look at the thing you got in the back? Sure, I'm going to get it. Okay. So I've shown this carving on stream before. Yo, thank you very much for the 64 months, my bro. Hope you and the fams are doing well too. So this is it here. So this is a popo, or a two-dimensional carving. I've had this guy since the 2nd of the 6th, 2021, specifically. And this is a popo or a two-dimensional carving, this one here. How much is a Dremel setup? I have no idea. Yeah. Thank you very much, my bro. Good, my bro. Oh, I love to see it. Love to see it. How long did it take you? I can't remember. It's been that long. Do you know where to get a bladder for stone carving? Is that the water tipping thing? I don't even know that either. I was just going to ask the bros. Hey, what up, Shakira? How are you? Quite a few streams. Yeah, I remember it took quite a while. But yeah, genuinely off the top of my head, I can't really think of it. You gonna play Titan Quest 2? Probably not. Too much games to play, my bro. I'll start off with continuing to play WoW and GTA RP, and then from there start jamming RuneScape. Thank you, Shakira. You always go crazy when you're in the streams. That is incredible. You truly are, man, good at this craft. Yeah, I maxed out all my skill points on wood crafting. Wait, this is made out of Cody, this one here. Kauri is how you spell it. And this is a tribal style popo. So in our culture, We have many different tribes that not all carve the same. So they all carve in their own respected ways. Jimmy Jackson loves RuneScape. Oh, does he? What server do you play on 5M? I was on NoPixel. I go there a little bit here and there, but I'm on Prodigy. Cody after. Nah, that is one thing about me. I hate alcohol. Yeah, Shakira always shows the love here, even though she shouldn't, because she's done enough already. Nah, I appreciate you as always, Shakira. What was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. I forgot. I goldfish quite a bit too. You don't drink? Yes, I don't drink, and I don't do, you know, the other stuff. Main reason why I don't like drinking is just seeing what it's done to my people. That's why I hate it so much. Wait, let me... You're on whitelist. Stab in the dark, I'm gonna say you're in Baller Gang. Are you? Are you in the Ballers? Shakira with the 700. That's crazy. Okay, I gotta go to work, be right back. No. I'm gonna try to pretend to know what gang you're in. Wait, who are you in Prodigy then? Is taking donations for my vid something I should do? I mean, if people are wanting to donate to you, then, you know, go for it, I say. That's supporting you. What are we carving? We have been doing this. We are making a handle for a hatchet. I played ages ago. Oh, it's true. So you would have been in 1.0 as well? Yeah, I joined when Prod opened up. And I'm back on there again. My, yeah, playing criminal though. I want to make a cop character, but the paperwork side scares me. I stopped doing paperwork after school. Do you like Lord of the Rings? Yes, I do. I do. I was once down south with my significant other, and we were driving to Milford Town, and I pulled over and I said, "Get out of the car, get out of the car. There's something in the car." And then I ran up to this place, and my wife followed me, and she goes, "What's the matter with the car?" And I got down on my knee, and I went, "A hobbit lay here." I was at the exact spot where they did that scene. A hobbit lay here. It was on the ground. There was a struggle. And she goes, "You absolute cunt." What's up, Chilled? How are you, brother? Thank you for joining us on the green platform, my bro. Do you work or do you full-time? Full-time, pretty much streaming and carving. But I've been full-time carving since I was 16. I want to go prank at Hobbiton. That'll be pretty funny, bro. That'll be a good one. Yeah, I'm trying to get in contact with someone from Hobbiton to do a carving video there. But yeah, no luck so far, unfortunately. No luck so far. But oh well, we carry on, chat. We don't muck around, we carry on. Do you play rugby? Not anymore. Like a long time ago, yes, but not anymore. Alright. Only you, baby. Damn, man, you cut, bro. I am fat. I am fat and warm. How much for the tickle, my bro? It's not for sale. It's for the bros. And it's not even finished. Okay. Oh, or the popo, did you say? That one at the back there? Or did you watch the tickle video? Oi!
Jode F97 cheered Dex 100. All the best to you. Love what you do. Keep up the great streams. Love from Scotland.
Hey, appreciate you, brother Joe. Thank you very much, brother. If I get Hobbiton, yeah, bro. The tickle in the video. Oh, sorry, my bro. Yeah, that's not for sale. It's for some of the bros in Auckland. I've only got 3 carvings for sale at the moment. And yeah, it's a wheku, that popo, and a smaller carving as well. Okay. Let's round these over, and then we'll carry on. Oh, I shouldn't really do anything to this part till we have the X head, so we can be sure. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, brother Joe, all the way in Scotland, my brother. What are you working on? A handle for a hatchet. We are doing a part TT. Supporting from Brisbane. Oh, kia ora. Oh, it'll be still quite early for you, say. Oh, big time. You could also reach 1 mil points on Twitch if you still do those. Yeah. I'll never get rid of that redeem. I'll never get rid of that chat redeem. But yeah, I've only got 3 carvings to sell. He's a very lucky man. No, I'm the lucky individual to have a wife that understands what I do and supports it. Definitely, my bro. And one thing I'm grateful for, she doesn't really give a fuck about social media as well. 794k and counting. You know, I'll just do you one for the sake of doing one now. Just ask. And hurry up and jump on the podcast. So I can talk to you about that baby photo with that scarf on. Those ones, eh? Tallest pineapple. Hello. It's not the same sense of fulfillment. Thank you very much, Runes as his username for the 1 rose, and Daniel for the cat, and James for the manawa as well. Bro, what in the runes is that username, bro? Wee. Do you ever do tutorials? No, but I am going to do a tutorial video for one of our designs. I'll start doing a few of those here and there. So there might be a time where I might have a bit of an offline day and just do a bit of filming for a tutorial. Because I don't want to do it live, because I feel like I'm being rude and trying to focus on making the video and all that kind of stuff. Low key want to make it my profile photo. What's that? Make what your profile photo? What, a carving? Okay, let's take this out because that is not working. Only you, baby. That's how we always should be. You complete me. Ooh, okay, what's going on here? Oh, come on, you stupid voice. Lock, push. Oh, come on, man. All the way from South Africa. What's up, brother? The infamous baby photo. Oh, oh yeah, yeah. When I saw that, I was like, alright. Oh, I'm like way on the side. Sorry, Twitch. Kakekiaka hai. Okay, let's take this off because annoying. Okay, who played Adventure Quest in any of the chats? Tuning in from Missouri. Hey, much love, brother. How's it all the way over there, my bro? Dragon Fable, that was the other one. Yes, Dragon Fable. That's the one and you could run around. I wouldn't mind giving Adventure Quest a go just for nostalgia. Dragon Fable was so good. I agree. Hello from Austria. Kia ora. Hey, what's up, Zoddy? Hope you're doing well. Long time no see. What are you carving? Not what you think. We're just doing the end of a handle, brother. Yeah, we're just doing a handle for a hatchet, my bro. A fully carved one. There you go. It's a fully carved one, my brother. Sorry, our music went flat, chat. Nah. At the moment, but working my way out of it. Oh, nice. That's good to see. That's good to see. Love the title. Thank you. I need to know if this is the wholesome Twitch guy. Hello, I'm toxic. Nah. Nah, it's me. How are you doing? Not me trying to be toxic, but too nice. Hello, I'm toxic. How's it going? I'm from Hawaii. Hey, taku kanaka Maori. How you doing? I'd love to go there one day, man. That's one of my destinations to go and learn the language. Yeah, I'd love to go there one day and learn the language. Hey, from Brunei. What's the time in Brunei right now? Come through, brother. We're here. Always, my brother. Always. One day, my bro, I will. I was in America 2 years ago for TwitchCon, and one of my overlay flights was in Hawaii. I was so tempted to go there, but it was a 9-hour overlay, and I was like, ooh, never mind. Just to say, hey, I've been to Hawaii. Hey, what's up, brother Lou? What's up, Docs? Hello from Indonesia. Kia ora, Maori ora brother Mātaki mai te urupu, also known as... Oh, true. I was like, where the hell is that? All the way in Perth, eh? Gee. How's it over there, my bro? Hey girl, can you speak my language? She gave me a Vegemite sandwich. I come from a land down under. Living on. Been good. Oh, I love to see it, brother. Docs, how you, my bro? Brother, Vegemite is delicious. No, it's not. The consistency of it to be nice, it has to be as flat as a bloody flat ass. Down under. Yeah, that's such a jam, eh? Such a jam, man. Thank you very much for the aroha, brother. You're Maori and I'm Hawaiian. Yeah, man. Definitely I am, brother. Definitely. I watched Chief of War over the weekend too. I watched it like twice just trying to catch some of the words. One of my mods, she's from that part of the world too. I don't want to say Hawaii in general because there's a few different islands and I don't want to offend her. Just in case I say the wrong island. She's probably asleep right now too. She lives in Brisbane. From Kuala Lumpur. Wait, are you watching all the way from Kuala Lumpur? Bro, all I did, bro, because you can watch the first episode for free on Amazon Prime. We're using my sister-in-law's, and then you can get 7 days free on Apple TV. So my wife used it so we could watch episode 2. I watched the third one this Friday, so it's every Friday, and then I'm going to wait till all the episodes are out, then I'm going to use my free Apple TV on my phone. Right, I've got folks to follow you, and we'll be back in 10 minutes when the 10 minutes follow. Oh, did he? Hey, what's his, I need to give him a follow for saying thank you. Oh, a lot of people are coming through. Please pay no mind to the shape of this handle. It's not what you think. It's just the process and the shape I need to go through in order to get the shape that I want. And it will be fully designed, alright? Please bear with me. Rise on. Okay, I'll definitely give them a follow now. Hang on, I just gotta jump on the mare. Give them a follow. You carving a toki. We are doing a partiti or a hatchet for my uncle's 60th, which is next month. So yeah, not too far away, brother. So I just gotta give someone a follow. Rise on. Oh, thank you very much, Rizom, and to all your followers that are coming through to share the love. If people from my stream haven't already, please go through and give the brother a follow as well. So I'm just gonna follow the bro and say thank you, and sorry I gotta be rude and come back to the stream. Hold on. Just saying thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. There we go. All done. Sorry, I just had to say thank you to the bro. There we go. Much better. Just gave you a follow. Oh, thank you, my bro. Let me just mold this and then we'll yap for a bit. Thank you to the bro Rye for bringing people through. Thank you, brother. Favorite sandwich? One that I make, because only I know what kind of sandwich I like. When people say my wife should make me a sandwich, that's a cop-out because you're fucking lazy. I'll say that with my chest. And the chest hairs that reside on my chest. Sorry, I didn't realise I was carving and the other camera wasn't even on. Goddamn. Have you got a drink with you? Water. Water all day, my bro. Thank you very much, everyone, for the follows. Hello from Arizona. Out of curiosity, do you take requests for purchase? Only mask base is in Sydney, and I think it would be cool to get some sort of Australian-styled Master Chief type of deal carving. Nerdy, but okay. I have to say this. I don't come from Australia. So, personally, brother, I only do carvings within my culture, pretty much. So I do a lot of traditional Maori wood carving majority of the time. And I don't really go outside of it. Trust me, I do get requests when people ask me to carve naked anime characters for them. And I'll be honest, I just tell them there's a website for that. But yeah, sorry my bro. Yeah, I try and stay within the cultural aspect of all the carvings that I do. Bro, what would you use most for your carvings? I use red oak. Ooh, flash. I use anything I have, really. Could you wish my friend... Hold on. Could you wish my friend Antonio a happy birthday? He watches your content and he'd love to hear it. Is your mate Antonio watching? I'm waiting for your friend Antonio. To think he is on one of our own and steal him. Hey, just because you stole Pavlova and what's that horse's name that I don't care about? That one. You will not steal me, Australia, I tell you. There's a package here, one moment. Actually, they can just send it to the door. Hold up, I'm going to have a look because I'm nosy. Yo, chat. Oh, hello everybody. Sorry. So I think it was last month or the month before. I hit a sub goal in my Nanathon, so I did a sub goal for my. Wait, did I get raided? Oh no, I was away. That's shame, bro. Oh, the 10-minute thing. Hey, Rizal, thank you very much, brother. Chat, our reading streams are gonna start soon. I got the Lord of the Rings series as I promised. Yo, what's up, brother? Oh, man. Thank you very much for the follows, bro. My wife didn't want to answer the door because she was in her pajamas. Yo, thank you very much for the follows on Twitch, brother. Man, my chat has not moved this fast in years. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much to you and your community for showing love to me today. Rick Manchengo, thank you very much for the 5 bomb, brother. If you did get a gifted sub from the bro, please give him a thank you. Or glaze him harder than a Krispy Kreme donut, please. You seem kind of... Kia ora everybody, my name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. I've been carving since I was 12 years old. In other news, I've been touching wood in the morning for a couple years. When I mean touching wood, it's not what you think, okay? This is what touching wood in my channel looks like. Okay, so this carving here is actually for someone in my Twitch chat. This is a heimato. Yo, Trev Tennessee, thank you very much for the gifted. So this is a heimato or fish hook. This is the millennial summoning jutsu in the middle. So in my channel, if people save 1,000,000 channel points, they get themselves a free carving. And this is one of them. So all we have to do really is cut the middle out and stain. And this is going to the bro wherever he lives in the world. I'm not going to ask because I'm not trying to dox my followers. So yeah, this is one of the many carvings that we've done on stream. I'll go and get another one. When a lot of people are here, I like to just showcase what I do and basically my culture as well. One more. So this is another piece as well. Yo, Bex, thank you very much for the 5 bomb. So this here is a wheku. W-H-E-K-U is how you spell it. This is another traditional form that we use. And you'll mainly find these types of carvings on our meeting houses. With our meeting houses, we actually named them after our ancestors. And this is one of them here. Give you a closer look. With a power inlay as well. Holy! Bolch, thank you very much for the 5 bomb as well. I got 300 channel points. Hey, you're on your way there, brother. So yeah, this is another one that we did. Stained as well. And I have one more example. Oh, also the designs. Yo, T minus, thank you for the 5 bomb as well. What the hell's going on, bro? Holy, we've almost hit our sub goal for today. I think, whatever we're at, I think if we hit 850, I have to do a lolly giveaway too. So this is not open to people from my country because they can probably drive down the road and get it. It's more for people outside the country. Oh my, yo, Bungalow Bill. Hey, that's actually a pretty cool name. Thank you very much for the 10 bomb, bro. This is so fucking cool. I will be regular in here. Yeah, if you have any questions about my culture, feel free to ask. Hey, there's nothing wrong with asking. There's no such thing as a dumb question, basically. here anyway. And another carving I have is this one here. This is a popo, a 2-dimensional wood carving. You're hilarious. How? I haven't even said anything funny. So this one here. So we did this a while ago. Yo, Themebo X, thank you for the brand new tier 1. Holy level 7 hope train. Haven't had one of those in a long time too. So there it is here. So this is another traditional form and normally stand like that. There. So the design is called Taratara Akai as well. So
Chloa cheered X100
how did they do it? I can't do it, my cheeks are too fat so I can't bite them. So that's another one there. The design is called Taratara Akai, and that can be, you mainly find that design used by a lot of tribes here along the east coast as well. Okay, one more. Sorry, I just got to make sure everyone gets to see the carving as a whole. Also, can I have a SummerSlam update, please? Who's fighting now, wrestling? Once again, this one here. This is a popo, another one, a bigger version. A 2-dimensional wood carving here again, and this is a tribal style. So with all the tribes that we have in my culture, we have many different tribes that don't all carve the same as well, and I may have finished this on the 2nd of the 6th 2021 allegedly. Yeah, so the design here is called Hai Hai Pakati. So it's one of our more harder designs we have. So some of the characteristics of this tribal style here. Main one is in the arm. So one thing that we like to do, I come from this tribe as well, Matatu. We like to do our arms and butt it straight into the elbow or into the forearm and cut straight across. So that section there is one way to identify it as well, along with the face. As you can see, the cheeks aren't fully round, it's just straight out of bounds and then come back and go back in. And the face too. Another way is they don't use much timber as well. Not much timber at all. But there are carvings and tribes that use the whole piece of the timber. It looks like they're protruding out of the wall. So there's some tribes that do that as well. Probably one of the most renowned carving tribes here is called Ngāti Tarawhai, and their work is all around the world. Thank you for showing us this these pieces. I appreciate you for the love, bro. Obviously I'm going to try and show it back as much as I can. But this is genuinely what I love to do in life. Wood carving has always been, or well, Whakairo, Maori wood carving, has always been something that's been a part of my life. Thank you, Bungalow Bill. I still think that's a cool name. That'll be a cool Red Dead Redemption roleplay name. And Melon Choli, thank you for gifting a sub as well. Thank you. But it all comes down to the language that we speak as well. It's not the same. Everyone has their own dialect within our tribes as well. Bungalow Bill. Well, how y'all doing there now? My name is Bungalow Bill. You goddamn bastards. That's actually a cool name. You get next stream. Looking forward to hearing so much more and Lord of the Rings. Yes. So one of my sub goals a while ago was I have to read all the Lord of the Rings books, and they just arrived today. So at some point I need to plan how we're going to do that. There'll obviously be evening streams. I'm going to utilize my iPad with the cracked screen, And I'm going to YouTube Fireplace for 5 hours, so to add 5 plus cozy points as well. So that's the plan there. Thank you very much, brother. Well, Maori accent is one of the best. I'll be honest, I will change your mind when I show you what the true Maori voice sounds like, alright? The only reason I sound like this is because I went to an English school when I was young. I learned how to say, I probably can't even say it today, Worcestershire sauce. Whoever's ancestor made up that word for that sauce, you should tell him he's a dickhead, because that's hard to say. Why would you name a sauce that and we can't even say it? Also, I want to say thank you very much for helping us hit some goal today as well, Fano. Do you still have time to play WoW? Yeah, I've been leveling my mage. I normally play warrior, but I wanted to change it up a little. I can never say that sauce. Yeah, man. Whoever's ancestor named that sauce, you need to have a serious talk with your family, man. What's your sister's sauce? Oh, come on. TikTok, I hate to do it to you at this time, but I may have to end the TikTok stream because my phone's getting flat. I've been enjoying Classic more. I think if I have to say, I'm more of a Classic player myself. I do want to learn how to play arenas though. That's the only thing I really want to do in retail. Other than that, just playing Prot Warrior and PvP. I just play Prot Warrior just because I like bashing people in the head with a shield. Yeah, so TikTok, if you ever want to jump over to Twitch, YouTube, or Kick, it's really up to you at the end of the day. I want to say thank you very much for the TikTok stream. Much love. Feel free to come over. Is my alerts like super delayed? Must be, yeah. They've been on something today. Alright, TikTok, I'll see you later, eh? Choo-choo. Sword and board is fun, yes. And also, with the hype of Runescape, and now that, you know, it's kind of died down a bit from all the big streamers, I want to try and give it a go now. So, in the Discord, I've asked everyone to suggest what character I would look good as, or what character I look like the most in old school RuneScape, and I'll dress up as them. And then I'll play RuneScape for the first time. Yeah, so that's the plan for that one. Hado plays it a bit. Yeah, I know. So I want to jam with him too. Hi, I'm from the US. Love your wood carving. I absolutely love the history and culture of indigenous people around the world. So it's lovely to see your work coming from Ryzen stream. Hey, thank you. What does the bro play? Nah, straight up, I really appreciate that he's done that, eh? Like, straight up. These, you know, that kind of love is never expected from me. But for him to do that for me, bro, is it's definitely appreciated. Now I'll be playing old school RuneScape. I heard old school RuneScape's better. Dan the handicap man. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Used to play non-stop back in the far out MySpace, Skype, the mecca of all old school things. Yeah, so those are some things that I wanna jam. What's the time? It is almost 1 o'clock. How long have we been live for? Jeebus. Or like 2 hours?
Viberator 3000 cheered Dex 100.
My alerts are delayed. Thank you, you're the king for the Optimus, oh, for the tier 1, sorry. 3 hours and 30 minutes. Oh, damn, I didn't even know. Hold on, chat. Just gonna put some background music on. But yeah, those are the things that I'm keen to do, like as of now. But yes, we have to plan. Well, I have to plan when I'm gonna do this. When we're gonna start reading. Do you want me to start from The Hobbit or just send it with Just send it with Lord of the Rings? Sorry. I had like multiple accounts because I couldn't remember my password. Oh, bro. Come on. The multiple accounts, Andy. My next question was going to be, oh, what you doing? So are we going to start from The Hobbit? I need ones in the chat. Just spam ones and then let me know. So I know where we can go from. Alright, so we're going to start from The Hobbit. Okay. I thought these books were thicker. I didn't know where to get them anyway, so I just got a pack. The Hobbit and The Lord of the Rings. I've never owned books before, chat. So yeah, this is going to be new for me too. Bro, I'm probably going to balk so many of these words, eh? When should we start this? When do we start this? Let me figure it out, because I'm trying to find a Gandalf hat. I'm going for full immersion reading right now too. I wonder if there's a Gandalf hat I can find locally. Pretty sure the writing is really small. Opens box to check. Hold on, I need a chisel. I mean, I'm not blind, but, you know. Best to check. Well, I'm not blind yet, I should say. Okay. Oh. Whoever made these didn't make these for craftsmen's hands. Ah. I can't take it out. There we go. The Hobbit. Oh, it's just normal. It's not even that small. Oh, I can read that. Oh, dusty page smell. Far out. This is gonna take me months. So into the adventures of the Mystery Mountain, soon Bilbo's stomach was feeling full and comfortable again. Alright, we'll start from The Hobbit, chat. I'm down. Full immersion. Picture me as Gandalf smoking a pipe underneath a tree reading you a book. Well, that's the idea. Shit, I might need to get a Lord of the Rings overlay done. I haven't read them since high school. I haven't read them in life. 24-hour reading stream, my brain will literally ooze out of my ear. That's reading too long. Bro, I can see my brain oozing out of my ear if I read for that long. Hell no. I need pictures if we want to get through that much. Why do you think I only got the books with pictures in school? Just to keep me interested. I reckon you'll be immersed. Hey, that's the plan. Full immersion book reading. You should listen to the Audible version while you read it. Wait, what's the difference? I reckon I want to try and be better than the Audible version. Yeah, so we'll work out a plan. If I can find the Gandalf hat locally and in time, then I'll do it with the hat on. If not, then screw the hat and we just do it with me. Also, to the guy that just DM'd me asking where to get this hoodie, this is a one of one made by my daughters. Greetings from Borneo. What a lovely vibe you're having. Oh, all the way from there. What's the time in Borneo? I'm guessing it's like early hours, eh? I would assume so. Audible is the audio, so you listen to it while reading. Oh, okay. Thank you. Only 42. Or on 42. Sorry, brother. Nine AM-ish. Oh, true. Okay. I thought it'd be like 1 o'clock or something. Sorry, rubbish.
Hella hey Jane cheered Dex 100. Incredible work. Mind blown emoji.
Sorry, the bro. I think the bro cooked our. Hey, Moose. Did I hear Runescape? You did, my bro. Hey, I miss you, bro. Straight up. I wasn't following somehow. Oh, that's okay. It's okay. Miss you, bro. Straight up. But yeah, I'm keen to learn. I'm keen to learn and play. Hold on, I need to fix your name real quick. Yeah, I'm keen to play RuneScape soon. Definitely. Didn't even know you were a dad. Yeah, I've been a dad for like 7 years and I have 3 kids now. So I have 3 girls. So unfortunately to whoever's son comes across my daughters, it's not going to be fun for them. Yeah, so. I'm overprotective in nature, and I say that with my chest, okay? That's just me. That's how I've always been. But yes, chat, I'm definitely keen. Thank you very much for all the subs. I know our alerts are like hella delayed right now. But thank you very much to the bro Rom and his community coming through as well. Definitely good Prop Warrior vibes. Prop Warrior and PvP is fun. Especially when you hear the shield slam sound. Oh! Okay. One moment. Okay, one moment. Bling, bling. Okay, set to check something. So yes, one other thing that I want to show again. Our reading of all the Hobbit and the Lord of the Rings series will start ASAP, okay? As soon as possible. So the chat has asked that we start with The Hobbit first. And we will start with The Hobbit first. I'm pretty excited, I'm not gonna lie. I've never done a reading stream before. I feel like I'm gonna put everyone to sleep. But let me put these inside. Keep them safe. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. It'll be streamed on all platforms too, the reading. Okay. Oh bro, I'm excited, eh? Oh, this is gonna be cool. Alright, if anyone knows where to get a wizard hat and Rotoru as well, hit me up on Instagram as well. Let me put these inside. Okay. That's gonna be nice. Yeah, I hope so. So, I'm just nervous because I've never done reading on stream before. It's gonna be hard to read and not get distracted and scroll on TikTok. Might have to get 2 overlays from you, my bro. One for the half pie news and a reading one. I'm thinking stick and wizard hat over here. Over here. I don't actually know, never mind. I'm guessing. Okay, well chat, I think that is going to be us for today. I feel kind of rude finishing while getting all those follows and subscribes from the bro. Is he live? He's live, eh? I think we raid him. One moment, I want to check if he's still live. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Okay, I'm gonna send you to the bro ROM. I'll DM you on Insta or Discord, my bro. I'll send you over to Rise On, so you can continue the. Wait, that's not him, is it? Is that him? That didn't look like his profile photo. Raid RHYZOHM. There it is. Hey, there we go. Alright, finally, that's going to be me. GG's. Thank you very much for all the Aroha today, especially to Ryan and his community for coming through. Tomorrow. Whakairo tomorrow. And then I'll go through all your guys' suggestions for who I should dress up as for the Runescape thing. Gonna be uploading another nostalgia video today from the past streams of the first carving we ever did on all platforms. So if you want to go through, show that some love. But for now, I'm going to send you all over to the bro Rai, who showed love to me, so you can continue to do so with him and his community. And to those from his community that are watching right now, yeah, go through and go and show love to other streamers as well. But for now, GG's, have a good one, and I'll see you later. Bye bye. 안녕하세요. Bye bye. See you later. Bye bye. Cheers.